Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. So open the TikTok app and go to the person's profile. Once you're here, tap the share icon. It's the arrow in the top right corner. Click on that. Then in here from the options, select block. So it says here, so if you want to block that person, they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. So this doesn't include extended scenarios like multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. So they will not be notified that you block them. So click block to confirm. So once you block someone, they won't be able to view your profile or videos. They can send you messages or interact with your content. TikTok does not notify them that you've blocked them, although they may figure it out if they try to find your profile. Now, if you want to unblock someone later, go to your profile, then click the three-line menu. Then go to settings and privacy. Now in here, scroll down to block accounts, then tap unblock next to their name. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.